In this video, we're jumping into everything we know so far about the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and what you'll find inside the combo kit. First up, the camera itself looks pretty similar to the Osmo Action 4. It's got the same front-facing screen and lens layout, so no big changes on the outside. But under the hood, it's packing some serious upgrades. We're talking about a 40-megapixel 1/1.3-inch sensor with a 155-degree field of view. The battery is expected to last up to 4 hours on a single charge, and it should be able to record in up to 4K at 120 frames per second or 1080p at 240 frames per second. On the audio side, the Action 5 Pro is rumored to have 3 stereo microphones and 47 gigs of built-in storage, which you can expand by up to 1 terabyte. It's also expected to support Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 6, so you're covered on connectivity. And don't worry, it's not just about the basics. Features like precision tracking, 360 degrees horizon steady, and DJI Mic 2 integration are likely making a comeback, along with Osmo audio, voice control, and waterproofing up to 65 meters. Still not sure if that's with or without a case. Plus, there's subject centering and tracking, so you can keep your shots on point. One of the cooler features we've heard about is the super slow motion. The Action 5 Pro could support up to 960 frames per second slow motion through 4x frame interpolation. You can create up to 6 slow motion clips per video, but this feature works best with footage that's at least 100 frames per second in 4K, 2.7K, or 1080p. Just a heads up, the first and last few seconds of a clip might not be eligible for slow motion editing. Now, let's get into the combo kit. According to Quadro News, the kit includes 3 batteries, a charging hub, a protective frame, mounting brackets, an extension rod, and a USB-C cable. With 3 batteries in the mix, DJI is clearly aiming for those long recording sessions. The charging hub is designed to charge all 3 batteries at once, and you've got a frame to protect your camera, plus an extension rod to help you nail those tricky shots. As for pricing, the combo kit is rumored to be around €479, or roughly $531, which lines up with what we've been hearing. An official announcement is expected around September 12th, so the Action 5 Pro will soon be squaring off against the GoPro Hero 13 Black and the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, which has also been making waves with its dual AI chip and Leica lens. That's everything we've got on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro for now. If you're excited about what this camera brings to the table, make sure to stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.